Yeah. What's up, homies? Yep. It's been a while. I got Jeffrey in the cut.
Yeah, guess what I found? He's my old U-joint cap.
That's just a sign that you're gonna break down again.
Oh, hell no, please don't say that.
He break down every time he come over here. And y'all know that. I think y'all know that. Anyway, we get ready
down.
in a while.
Take the battery post off, I could have cranked up.
But anyway, we get ready to cut his bed up and hopefully maybe go speeding to Mexico and get a tiny race in, since I fixed my throttle a little bit, and I feel like I'm gonna whoop Jeff ass a little bit more. But he's saying this is what his problem, why he couldn't get out his power. So we're gonna do this. But the reason what part we changing now, Jeff?
The fuel tank pressure sensor.
We changed this out because every time he crank his car up and take off the gas cap, the pressure shoot out of him. Now, I know we could take
Probably won't do it right now.
but then you got to crank up. Alright, it's got a little something. Y'all heard that, right? Pretty sure y'all did. But the sensor is either on top of the tank or it's inside the tank. We're gonna cut a hole in here like we did with my truck, and then you still want to put my voice name in here?
Yeah, I'm putting it in.
Okay, and then we're gonna
I'll spray it down.
Cause I wanted them put this truck bed coating in mine, but I don't like how they did yours.
Yeah, mine ugly as shit. I had moved some shit and it scraped up some stuff. And
Yeah, it'd be better because he ready to move his stuff anyway. So we finna do some cutting. I think it's gonna be about the same as my cut. I gotta go look at that so I can get some good measurements in anyway. But I'll bring y'all back after we cut this hole. We gotta make a store run real quick. We're finna go to Harbor Freight and get some discs before I run out. Peace, my girlfriend.
No, stop! Your hands are dirty!
She never liked to be in videos. But she's in this one.
don't feel bad. She didn't want to be in one either.
We got you.
Stop!
Got you.
I'm reporting it for...
What duty to you?
I don't want to know me. You're recording? You're recording. Okay. Good enough. Jeff retarded.
Burnt your eyes.
What she say your eyes are gonna get burned out?
She said, Steven, you don't need to burn out. I didn't set the house on my own.
Hello.
And here we are finally at the sensor after all the ugly ass cuts. And replacing the sensor is that easy. You either drop the tank or you cut a hole in the bed. You do it.
Unlike his bed, I don't know, can you see that part on yours?
But it wasn't no rivets in mine, I guess, because mine's older.
I probably hammered it down.
Yeah, I got a 4-pound hammer somewhere. Well, I guess we're gonna crank the truck up and see if it build up pressure.
Big ass wasp nest up on here though.
Who?
Wasp nest.
You find you keep. Yeah, finna take it around the block. Bring it back. We're gonna see what it do. Oh, he finally got that brake light working. Oh, it sound better. You did something else? Oh, you put them cats on there.
You gonna see now you got hit this now you can't see that, you did
What? My other partner just bought one too. He bought a shield. Well, we just raced. I'm not sure what to say. The mine started acting up. Look at them headlights, boy. That shit look good. I don't know if y'all seen them halos or not. But it was tip. I'm gonna say it was tip for tat. Your truck has most definitely improved. So if you ever have a problem with your fuel tank, you know, doing that little like the pressure just building up and your tank is not releasing, that sensor will help you out. As you see, the Jeff truck is moving a whole lot better. I didn't whoop his ass this time. Where he at? Right here, right there. I didn't whoop his ass this time. He was kind of.
I feel like, hold on, like
If my truck was stacking good, I would have whooped his ass even more.
on a good, on a serious note, if your truck feels like it's not getting everything out of the towel, like I was trying to tell Chris for ages, it could be a problem. The code was PO446.
Well, I didn't hear PO446.
That was the code that it was giving me for the reader. And
I'm sorry, I was looking for my family.
it's this little thing right here.
A little one sensor. Well, you know, you remember the part number on that sensor, Jeff?
Part number on the sensor.
This is a 98 k1500.
Box. I think I put the box.
And my truck don't get. I think my truck got one, but it's not that tight. So anybody with a 94, I'm not sure the what year, but he got a Vortex. That's it.
It's 302. It's a standard. It's from O'Reilly's.
I don't shop with O'Reilly.
I got it because I was working down there.
You got five. You got 5 still in boxes, y'all. You got it all, y'all. You gonna give me a big ass toolbox? You got the little ass toolbox.
I got paid for mine.
Oh. So this be the end of this video. I'm sorry I forgot to do my ending. Appreciate you guys watching this. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be continuing my uploading. I'm not gonna do a daily upload. I can't do vlogs because I work too much. So I gotta make some money to pay bills and try and buy parts for this truck, which I got a lot of stuff in mind, which is coming soon. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop down in the comment section what you think of this video, how me and Jeff did. We also raced, but I'm not gonna tell y'all results. I'm gonna wait till my truck is running better, then yeah.